been really passionate since a kid. People think it's unemployment and useless. Uncle, I have a sample for you. Hey friends, it's your guys Nishchal from your favorite channel RCT, Royal Challenges Trio. In the next 24 hours, I post a video on manga. Make awesome Nishchal great again. Please like the video and smash that subscribe button.
Wow, Nishchal, you're actually good.
Yes, Nishchal, we respect your wish and support your passion. Thank you.
Jobs. Yeah, Shritika, everyone is becoming a doctor. And Ananya, you know you could lose your life, right?
Choose your passion as your profession. Guys, be modern.
Well, I think it is my passion to serve my country, and I'd be honored to lose my life protecting my nation.
On top of that, we don't want to become a doctor or join the army for family pressure or money.
It's not a small dream to give up, guys.
Just because you don't understand our passion. You know why I want to become a doctor? To help people. To make a real difference when someone is sick or in pain. That has always been it for me. I mean it. I really want to become a doctor.
Honestly, the thought of saving someone's life and serving your country, that's just worth every hurdle. And guys, it's not scripted. I really want to join the Indian Armed Forces.
Thank you, Ananya and Shritika. We should also think of our passion.
It's never too late.
For 3 generations and coding is a waste of time.
Dion meets his school counselor, visibly upset.
Ma'am, I've always loved creating designs, animations and coding, but my dad thinks it's a waste of my future.
Let me ask you something. Are you enjoying what you're doing?
I love it. I even got a beta version tested by my friends and they say it makes science more fun than ever.
Let us show your father how passion plus purpose is equal to success. The school hosts a Career Passion Expo where Dion presents his educational game in front of parents and students. His dad watches skeptically at first.
My game is called Biotech. It lets students explore the human anatomy world like a fantasy world. You don't just read a chapter, you live it.
Wow, I'm sure this kid is going places.
You really built this, Dion? This is science, but in a fun way. You don't need a code to heal minds. You are in your own way.
Thank you.
I'm an engineer?
No, we're actually gonna become cricketers.
I'm sorry, did you say cricketers?
Yes, for me, cricketers. We have even named our batting partnership. Wind destruction. What?
Don't worry, Pa, we'll buy you free VIP IPL ticket when we the IPL.
VIP tickets? You think we raised you for stadium popcorn and jersey photos?
Cricket is not a full-time career, beta. These days, everyone wants to be cricketers.
But Pa, we are passionate.
Passionate? Be passionate about JEE and courtrooms, not silly matches.
Ma, you cannot make Sachin a doctor and you can't make Virat Kohli a lawyer.
And you're not Sachin, you're the boy who still forgets where his socks are.
Final decision, no cricket. You will either wear a stethoscope or argue in the court, not run around the park chasing the ball.
But
No but, doctor or lawyer, choose your battle.
Daddy, Mommy, give us one chance, 1 year. If we fail,